Okay, firstly, you guys made it to 2021, and we are going to celebrate us making it to 2021. Though the enemy tries to come in our houses like a storm, God will always prevail. Y'all hear me? We not playing with you, devil. In 2021, we're not playing with you. God, open our eyes, humble us to come to you and ask for forgiveness of sin. And God, let us live an amazing life. Amen. Let's get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Omoniola Oladimeji back with another video for you guys today. Y'all want me to change that intro because we've had that intro since 2017. Okay, I'm coming back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Omoniola here with another video for you guys. And I know it's been a while that I've done a sit down video. A lot has changed. Of course, y'all see my hair has changed. Yeah, but I just have a couple life updates for y'all. A lot of things have changed. My channel's gonna change a lot more based on the content that I choose to create. And I feel like transparency has always been a thing of my channel, but I'm going to bring that times 10. Not because I'm very comfortable doing that, but that's what God has put on my heart for the year of 2021. And last year, child, was a rough year for a lot of people, but God was always faithful to me. Yeah, I went through a lot of stuff last year. People died in my life. I was really ill. But a lot of great things happened too. But I feel like I've been wrapping y'all up. Let's get into the real tea that y'all want. But before we do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because listen, I'm creating this content for y'all. Y'all, the least y'all could do is support me, right? Click that subscribe button down there. And click the bell notification as well so you can actually get my updates and my alerts. You know, this YouTube algorithm is ghetto. I don't understand. These are not the trenches. YouTube, you need to do better. Y'all have too much money invested in them damn stocks to not be showing our content creation. Do you understand? Don't let me catch a hold of you. Anyways, but yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. So, I'm just gonna go and tell you guys basically life updates that I've been getting inquiries about and stuff, and I'm very transparent about where I am, how I'm getting there, you know, what my life goals are and stuff. But I just want to inform you guys that I will be transforming this channel into things that I really like, which is very more so travel based. I will be traveling a lot. All things women empowerment, all things transparency, all things love, all the fruits of the spirits you can mention. I just really want to encourage women. That is my goal, and I believe God has given me this platform to use it and use it wisely. I am no longer a student YouTuber. I graduated from the illustrious University of Maryland last year, 2020, in May, and I know y'all saw my grad pics. Don't play. Y'all saw my grad pics. Let me show y'all real quick what they look like. Mises Studios. Mises, that's my friend. Y'all know it's support black business to the end of me, period. But let me show y'all a couple of clips of just how, you know, I killed it. Literally, I feel like my grad pics put people on, but you know, we gotta be humble. People won't tell you you were their inspo, but it's okay, you were. Honey, you were their inspo. Let's check out these clips from my grad pics, period.
Mud.
My leg, bye, kill boy now, Oh, I don't wanna.
I know y'all saw them. I know they look good. If you're in the DMV, book my guy. He travels. Pay him. He know what he doing. Miguel didn't come to play. All right, so life update. Let me know, guys, if you like talk through videos or you want me to sit and do my makeup, sit and do my hair. What do you guys want from me? Just tell me what you want and I got you. But so a life update. I graduated, like I mentioned, and you guys just saw my pictures. And by the glory of God, I secured a full-time position before 2020 actually. So I secured that in 2019 after my internship, and I have a full-time corporate job as a business architect. So yeah, we making money with this, you know, corporate job. But I also am a full-time hairstylist, and I work after my other job. So I work remotely 8 to 4, and then I also work and I do hair and stuff in my studio from about 5 to 11. So that's great. You know, I love what I do. I love meeting women. I love empowering women. I love speaking life over women. And that's honestly been a desire of my heart for a long time. And I noticed God's given me like the hands to not only do people's hair, but to empower them, you know, to speak over them. Like, I don't think people understand the importance of touching someone's head. There's a lot of life that goes into it. And I love my clients. And if you guys are watching this, I love y'all. I love y'all. Like, I do what I do. I don't sleep hours because of y'all. But yeah, so I work now. I'm no longer a college YouTuber, and college was not easy, but I'm so grateful to get through it in 4 years. And a lot of you guys watch my business school testimony, and I think that's how a lot of you found my channel in the first place. So you know that my college career was not the easiest, but God, literally. So now that I'm out of school, that's kind of the stuff I do for fun. It's not really been much fun, but JK, I try to make the best of a lot of things. Even in a pandemic, I've actually had COVID twice. So that's why I've been gone a little longer than a lot of people would know, and no one really knows that I've had COVID twice. But the first time was the most severe. It's really bad. It was really bad. To the point where I got induced into asthma because I couldn't breathe. Like, my breathalyzer, they take this breathing machine on you at your doctor's office or wherever. Mine was so low. Like, the doctor literally said she'd never seen anyone's that low. So I'm so grateful that I'm alive, and my life wasn't taken because of COVID. And COVID is so real, and I think I took that for granted a bit. Even the fact that I got it a second time, I took it for granted, just how real it is. So please wear your mask and you know, pray. You know, like, it's crazy. You know, it's touched my house, it's touched my loved ones, but God still protects us, and I'm really grateful. So other than that, and a huge announcement that y'all know, and I think everyone knows by now, is that I bought a house, built up from the ground. Took about 5 months. I started this process in July, looking for houses in July. I started building this house in August. And I decided with my sister that the best option was to have a new build home, because we're so picky. We just wanted certain things, you know what I'm saying? Like 3 bedrooms, a basement, 2.5 bathrooms, a full island kitchen, like huge island kitchen, free space, free living room. All these kind of things was really important to us, and so we just decided to build. And if you guys haven't watched my empty house tour, I'm gonna pin it right here on the eye so you guys can go see it. But I love my house. I'm so grateful, guys. Like, it's crazy. And I'm also gonna make another video because I keep getting questions on how I bought a home at 21 or 22 type of questions. So I will do a video on how that happened. And like I said, I just graduated, so literally a couple months after graduating, 3 months, I started building my house. And it was really important for me to move into our own space, for work purposes, for my business, everything, you know, just peace in where I am. And I'm just so grateful that I had this opportunity to do this, and I love it for me. I love it for my sister. And yeah, if y'all want the housewarming link, I'm gonna drop it below, period. But yeah, so I moved. I built a house. So I moved December 21st, right before Christmas, which was the best Christmas gift, best birthday gift, because my birthday was January 9th. And I turned 23. So like a lot of new things have been happening. New age, new house, new car, all these things been happening to me. And I'm just so grateful to God that even when 2020 looked so bad and so scary and so many people died, God is still a provider. God is still a sustainer, a redeemer, a lover. And I definitely saw God's mercy upon my life by sparing my life and not dying to COVID and a whole bunch of other things. So I'll definitely give you guys an updated room tour on what my room looks like. It's very glitz and glam and grays and all that kind of stuff. You know, the things that I like. Y'all know the things that I like. So yeah. So I moved. I'm going to be doing a lot more cooking videos and stuff now that I have my own kitchen, and the kitchen is big and I love it. So yeah, it's really exciting. My best friend's actually the one that told me to do this life update video, and she really has been pushing me to keep doing YouTube. Esther, I really love you if you're watching this, because she's like, don't forget about YouTube. And I was like, why are you telling me that? And here I am, my life. Another update is that I'm going to be traveling a lot this year. Traveling is one thing really, really dear to my heart, even if it's just for a weekend. Like, I'll take a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday vacation. I have a lot of hours at work, so I'm gonna take vacations this year because I deserve it, and I need peace of mind, and I need to see God's green earth, and that's on period. Other than that, I have something to tell you guys. I have a boyfriend. Psych, y'all thought like, y'all freaking nosy people. Why would I? Look at you, look at you. You think I have a boyfriend and I'll come and tell you, please, mind yourself, mind yourself. I don't have a boyfriend, but I am dating. No, I'm not. I'm too busy. Y'all, I'm a joke. Please don't take me seriously for anything I'm saying, but I'm starting to date. I'm gonna just leave that one for when he comes. Okay, next. So I also got a studio for my business, and shout out to my sister and her boyfriend for remodeling the place. It looks immaculate. That's where I go to do hair. It's about 30 minutes away from my house, which is perfect. It's really nice, and my clients love it. I love it. It's just so easy to just do hair there. So I really, really love it. But I'm really good, guys. Like, I'm in a good place in my life where I'm content, and I just have a lot of things that I really want to show you guys about me. I really want to take my YouTube channel seriously this year. Let me know what you guys want to hear from me, like what experiences you guys want to learn from me, what kind of videos you guys want. I'll give a tell-all. I'll definitely do one for the house, because I know that one's a shocker to a lot of people, but this has been a dream of mine for a while, and this is just the first home of many homes, and I really want to make that clear, because I'm really big on generational wealth and carrying wealth into my kids. And Black people, one thing we need to do better is invest now for our children's future, and that's something I take to heart very, very seriously. This is not like it's not like a game, you know. Like, another thing I'm really big on is I've been doing stocks, so it's been amazing doing stocks and stuff. I think it's super interesting that I'm tapping into this now, but I told myself I want to be a millionaire before the age of 30, and I want to retire. That's my goal. And I'm speaking this into existence. I have 7 years, but I know God can do anything even earlier, because I really want to have an impact on people. I want to travel the world. I want to speak life over people. I want to encourage women. I want to make women boss up, create a financial plan. So yeah, definitely a millionaire by 30 is the grace I'm asking God for, because I have some plans, and I know God really wants me to move into this realm. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but just pray for your girl, y'all, because it's giving multiple incomes, multiple revenues, and all of the above. But yeah, so that's kind of where I've been at. I've been really big on trying new things. That's why I tried this. My nails never look like this, y'all. Y'all know that. My nails are always like a basic nude, pink or white, that kind of stuff. That's the kind of stuff I did. But I'm trying to step into some new game. I'm trying to go outside of my comfort zone and honestly do what I always know in my heart that I can do and be. But I'm really excited for where God is taking me, and I can't wait to show you guys my room tour, my house tour. My room is actually done, but for the most part it's done. Just need to get like a trash can and that's it. But other than that, it's done, and I love it here. I love it for me. I hate it for my enemies. And I need to get my mirror, so that's it. I hate it for my enemies. That's really it. My bathroom is also done, so I'll do the two at the same time. I'll just do it in snippets because, you know, it takes a lot to furnish a house and things like that. So I'll go into a whole nother video about everything that we're doing for the house, and the cost, and I'll list everything out. Cost for my bed frame, how much my room has cost in total, that kind of stuff. Just making sure you save, you have certain capital, you invest, that kind of stuff. So I'll give you guys a preview into what I'm doing with that. So yes, those are a couple life updates for me. By the time you guys watch this video, I will be in Cabo, St. Lucas, Mexico, living my life. COVID really tried to steal the joy of my birthday, but I'm not letting it steal the joy of my trip, but I'm happy I had it when I had it. And yeah, so y'all gonna catch me having fun. I'm definitely vlogging that trip. My girls and my guys, even though all of them are not going, we gonna turn up Mexico. Mexico's going to remember us, let me tell you guys. But please look out for me traveling the rest of the world as well with some of my other friends around the country. And we live your best life. Don't wait for nobody. Don't wait to get married to live your best life. Don't wait till you're a mom to live your best life. Don't wait till you're retired to live your best life. Live your best life now, because tomorrow is not promised. And that's one thing I could tell you for free. The only things guaranteed in this life is death and taxes, period. I'll catch y'all on another video. Let me know if you like all the changes coming to my channel and what you guys would like to see as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in another video. Bye guys.